Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput has been in news currently for getting into a heated argument with a senior journalist at Rabta trailer launch. The actor refused to answer on the Kulbhushan Jadhav topic.
1 minute. I think you shouldn't have ducked that question on national interest because it was not a personal question. I heard you telling him that, let's not answer this. I think it's a question of national interest.
Yes.
And
I think somebody should not give his or her opinion if he or she is not very well informed about the topic, because it is a sensitive thing. So you need to be very. Ma'am, can you at least allow me some time to?
Let me finish what I want to say. Then you have your say. I'm saying that question was of national interest. All you had to do as Indians was to condemn what Pakistan is doing, or not condemn it if you.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
But let me finish. But it was not a personal question that you should be ducking. So
ma'am, we got your question. All right, we got your question now. But to say yes, condemn, or no, condemn, you need to be responsible enough to know the facts related to it.
So you don't know about this hanging the.
Maybe we haven't read enough to be able to give a proper answer.
Why is it so wrong? Should I ask you few questions? Would you answer all the questions? Should I ask you questions about national interest? Would you know all the answers?
First and foremost, I'm not a public figure standing.
So there is nowhere written that a public figure should know everything about.
I don't know why you're turning it into a personal banter between us.
But let's.
Any of you on stage could have said.
No, we.
I don't know how many of you agree with me, but I just thought.
While some among the audiences felt that Sushant was right, some felt that he was very rude and should not have talked to the senior journalist like that. Now in an interview with a leading portal, the senior journalist opened up about the entire fiasco and blamed Kriti Sanon equally for the same. Somebody from Zee News asked for a comment on Pakistan's decision about hanging Kulbhushan Jadhav. At this point, Dinesh Vijan, that is Rabta's producer, turned around and said rather impressively,
जहाँ हम जिस बात करने आए हैं अभी ये टॉपिक को डिस्कस करना एक्चुअली करेक्ट नहीं होगा.
But later, I observed that they were taking quite a few questions other than on Rabta. Like they started giving their opinion on nepotism, and I believe Sushant even spoke on fairness creams. She further added, Kriti told Dinesh something to the effect that they should not talk on Kulbhushan Jadhav's topic. Yes, I think she initiated the whole thing. I just got up and told Sushant.
1 minute. I think you shouldn't have ducked that question on national interest because it was not a personal question. I heard you telling him that, let's not answer this. I think it's a question of national interest.
Yes.
Well, what do you think about the whole fiasco? Was Sushant right? Like this video, write in your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Backstage.